SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to enable or disable the lock sound on an iPhone 13. When you are done using your iPhone and you press the power button or the side button to lock the screen, then you are probably accustomed to hearing the lock sound. But if you don't like this sound and you don't want to keep your iPhone on silent all the time to avoid hearing it, then you might be looking for a way to shut it off. Fortunately, this is an option that you can change on your iPhone 13 and iOS 16. So let's jump into our video about changing the lock sound on an iPhone. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to turn off the iPhone 13 lock sound, then you just need to change an option on the settings menu. So start by tapping the Settings app, scroll down and select the Sounds and Haptics option, then scroll down and tap the button to the right of Lock Sound. I have the lock sound turned off on my phone on the screen right now. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.